very breezy day today. It is technically still summer, even though it is after Labor Day. So our pool is still, well, technically open. But I had a question from a couple of my subscribers asking, show the filtering system. Okay, we can do that. And I'm sorry this is late. This should have been well before Labor Day, but Hayward is our filtering system. We have this big contraption here with all the knobs and stuff. You can do the backwash down there, filter is there, and then a few other options that comes out from the filter and goes into this thing right here, which pumps through the hoses, which is right over here, into that part of the pool right there. So there you go.